alone. Remember when I was alone, I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I'm found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. Tell me the words I never said. Show me the tears you never shed. Give me the touch, the one you promised to be mine. Or else it vanished for all time. I'll let you go, I'll let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you know now that I'm found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. I close my eyes, and never let this promise in. I'll let you go, I'll let you fly. Now that I know, I'm asking why. I'll let you go, now that I've found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow.
Whether or not black folks should use the word or a derivation of the word ending in A, that's a black conversation. And white folks and anyone who isn't black, I think, is basically stay out of that conversation and let black folk deal with it.
Ain't it? Yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi.
Let's go! Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me go all out. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me act a fool. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me lose my cool. Up in here, up in here.
Sen tahmini mikrofonunu get bak şak. Burada telefonuna tak kağıt kalem bir de ilhamın olacak. Tam gaz çapasını düşmana bunlar çıkana bakalım. Hadi bu bedeli kazanalım.
In the place, everybody getting many. Punks better come your lady, can't nobody tame me. Blame me for keeping a runny yacht raining. Ladies used to hate me, now they come out and they pay me. Girls on the job shack, pocket full of sock shack. Got a fat knock shack, something don't spot, yeah. Down for the block, yeah. Choppy hopping, shot through the top of the knock. Is this what you want? Back it up and dump it, back it up and back it up and back it up and back it up.
Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that. I thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
LDRA, laid back, black on black. Diamonds on my neck and my wrist matching that. Black mag, brown bag. Drop that off, nigga, shoot your black ass. I'm my man, get the money, is that why you mad?
baby, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, baby, 1, 2, 3. Check, baby, 1, 2. Check, baby, 1. It's it, 1. It's it, 1. It's it, 1. It's it.
Guess I got my swagger back.
Our debutant, no other than Apple Grace Settle.
On the table for you, nothing's too taboo. I'm ready, really.
Okay, once again, big round of applause to Apple Grace. Yes. Together with Ariel. Now, let's move on to our second part. Yung ating 2 more 18 sets. May I call on Miss Jamie Babon?
Habang binubuksan ko siya, sasalita ako. So, thank you sa friendship na meron tayo since birth. Hindi man tayo madalas magkasama at saka magkabani, pero I know na merong something sa ating dalawa na kahit kailan hindi mawawala. So yung gift ko sa'yo, simple lang siya. Kasi every time na nakikita kita, almost every day, nakikita kita na every morning na nakapantulog. So sabi ko, paano ko re-regaluhan si Apple? So naisip ko, simple kang tao, simple lang din yung gift ko sa'yo. So sana kahit na simple lang yan, yung ma-appreciate mo siya kasi hindi man yan masasabi na pinaka-eleganting gift sa buong mundo. Masasabi mo yan na nanggaling yan sa totoong tao, sa totoong buhay mo. I love you so much and happy 18th birthday.
Okay, thank you. To Miss Erica Joy Javier.
Ayan, good evening. Kinakabahan ako. Kasi nag-iisa lang ako dito. Talaga wala akong kasama. Ayun, happy 18th birthday, Ate Apple. Ayun, nakasanayan ko na tawagin kang ate since nung grade 5. Kasi dahil sa height, maliit ako. Ka. Tapos, ayun, yung gift ko sa'yo, ayoko pabuksan. Gusto ko ikaw lang yung makakakita niyan. Ayun, yung gift ko yan, parang ikaw, na kahit na, hindi na tayo masyado nakikita, hindi tayo masyado nagkakausap. Parang andun pa rin yung, yung closeness natin sa isa't isa. Andun yung, so hindi ko ma-explain. So ayun, thank you sa pag-invite mo sa akin dito. Nung una, gusto kong i-reject yung invitation mo sa akin dito, pero sabi ko, gusto ko maging part ako ng 18th birthday mo. Ayun, thank you for being one of my close friends. And sana hindi ko magbago. And happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Erica. Next, we have Miss Elaine Manzanares, close friend. Thank you. This is it. Super excited ka na. Patapos na yung event. We've gone a long way for 2 months of preparation. Thanks for choosing me to be part of the event. Since aeroplano yung gusto mong sakyan in the future, I hope yung gift ko, sakyan mo siya every day. Thank you very much and happy birthday and best wishes. Okay, thank you, Miss Elaine. Di mo ako binigyan ng tip eh. Okay, next, we have Miss Rachel Abaya.
Apple, Wawa, ito na to. Ito na yung pinakahintay mong araw. And happy birthday sa'yo. Yung gift ko, kasi alam ko naman mahilig ka sa picture. So, naisip ko na lang na pagsamasamahin lahat ng mga pictures natin, mga memories natin nung high school. And yung surprise kung bakit ko hiningi yan. So, sana i-treasure mo yan. Thank you dahil pinagkatiwalaan mo ako sa mga secrets mo. And, lagi mong tandaan na nandito lang ako palagi, lalo na sa pag may kailangan ka sa mga homeworks mo. So, happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Rosian Luceres.
Happy birthday, Ate Apple. I know that you have a lot of things that we encounter in your life. Just always seek guidance from your mom and dad. Very important yun. Tapos, continue to be a good lady. In this part of your life, and your legal age, mas marami kang may encounter na problema, mas marami kang matututunan, mas marami kang may experience. Pero after nun, mas marami kang, mas magiging ikaw yan. Yung bigay ko sa'yo, money siya. Kung party-party mo, ganyan, basta lagi mo tatanggaan, laging may limitation. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Ang ganda-ganda. Umana ka sa akin.
Yes. Okay. Next, we have Miss Vanessa Mateo.
Salamat kasi hindi mo ako in-ignore. Tapos, naging part ka ako ng meeting. Happy birthday ako. Salamat. Tsaka yung gift ko, sana palagi mo siyang dugo-utek. Kasi hindi ko lang yun. Salamat.
Okay. Okay, next in line we have Miss Jen Juanyo.
So, I'm giving this to you and colorful pouch para simple lang pero sana magustuhan mo. Tapos, I wish you all the best. And I'm gonna be always your proud cousin and always happy seeing you successful in all walks of your life. Happy 18th birthday!
Okay, thank you, Jen. Next in line we have Miss Danica Mendoza, another close friend.
Thank you for inviting us and my friends to this very special event. I'd like to greet also your mom and dad. Happy anniversary and happy birthday, Apple. I'm gonna give you this gift. It's just very small, but I know that you'll appreciate it. It's an email. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Danica. Next we have Miss Catherine Henry.
Sa inyong lahat. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Kahit hindi mo na siya i-open. Sleepwear siya. Sabi nga nila, isang beauty tip yung enough sleep. So, mas maganda, enough sleep lagi, stay pretty, as you are. Oh, yes. And then, alam mo na, since elementary kami ng kuya mo, ito yung wish niya talaga para sa'yo. And then, masaya naman kasi nakita naman namin na natupad naman niya yung wish niya. Tsaka gusto niya kasi maging masaya ka sa dibo mo. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you rin kasi kapag inihiram niyo si Miggy, masaya naman kayo. Then yun, wish ko lang sa'yo, makapagtapos. Sundan mo yung ipak ng kuya mo na straight lang talaga yung tingin niya sa pangarap niya. Yun lang, happy birthday, so thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Catherine. Next, we have Miss Demi Deninia, another close friend.
Happy birthday. Actually, my first choice talaga, dress. But, pero, napaisip ako, what if hindi kasya sa'yo? I'm not telling you that fat ka, pero kasi matangkad ka. Kaya nung nagtitingin ako sa mall, eto kagad yung una kong nakita. Bag. TK bag. Tapos, parang, yung unang kita ko pa lang, feeling ko bagay siya sa'yo. Kasi, TK ako. Kaya feeling ko bagay siya sa'yo. Hope you like it. Yun. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Miss Demi. Next, we have Miss Rochelle Senadan.
Sige po, yung gift ko, ano siya, bagay siya sa career mo. Kaya sana matupad mo yung wish mo at saka yung dreams mo. Thank you, happy birthday, Clover!
Okay. Sikat na yung bagay na yun. Okay, next we have Miss Sheila Mila.
Okay, good evening po sa lahat. And Apple, happy 18th birthday and thank you. At hindi mo kami nakalimutan ng mga teacher mo. At the same time, nagpapasalamat ako dahil yung pangarap mo ay unti-unti mo nang natutupad. At sana, yun nga, makapagtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. At higit sa lahat, mag-focus ka kung ano yung pangarap mo. At sigurado ako, matutupad mo yon dahil nandyan yung mga proud parents at yung mga kapatid mo na hindi nagsasawang tumulong sa'yo. And higit sa lahat, sa ugali mo, kahit yung ugali ko po kasi ni Apple, very approachable, kind, at higit sa lahat po, hindi pwedeng hindi ka batiin yan pag pumupunta ng school. Kulang na lang lahat kaming teacher puntahan niya. Kaya Apple, sana stay kung anong meron kang ugali ngayon at higit sa lahat, lagi kang magtiwala sa Diyos. Ang gift ko sa'yo ay dalawa yan. Parehong pilo yan, pero may message sa loob. In case na meron kang problem, mababasa mo yung may quote kasi dyan sa loob, bahala na siyang magbasa. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Sheila. Okay, next we have Miss Crisel Joy Vital Rivera.
I remember one day when we were having our class activity, we were having our group activity. I noticed you were very quiet and very uneasy. So I asked you, tapos sabi mo, you were very, you're undecided about, you were thinking about running for a position, whether to run or not. So, hindi niya na matandaan. So, I ask you that you have to follow your heart. Tapos, sabi mo, after several days, kinumusta kita, sabi mo, Ma'am, ayoko po kasi mapapabayaan ko po yung pag-aaral ko. So, you made the right decision. You were you were thinking for, natandaan mo na. So, sabi mo sa akin, Ma'am, ayoko po kasi mapapabayaan ko po yung pag-aaral ko. So, you made the right decision and I admire you for that. I believe you will become a very successful person because you know your priorities in life. So, yon. Yung gift ko, ikaw na lang yung magbuka. Buksan mo na lang mamaya. And this is one of the weaknesses of us girls. Yon. Happy 18th birthday. And thank you for allowing us to witness your very special day today. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Crisel. Next, we have Miss Jacqueline Adnas. Ma'am Jacqueline.
Ba't kami kinakabahan? Pag nasa school, hindi kami kinakabahan. Apple, this is just a simple gift to remind you how special and precious you are. Not just in my eyes, but in the eyes of God. Remember what I shared to you sa lahat sa inyo ng circle of friends. Natatandaan ko si Zong, ikaw, si Zong, tsaka ikaw. Please treasure that gift from the Lord, Apple. Share the blessings to your friends and relatives as well. And I am looking forward, Apple, to see you more pictures sa Facebook na nakasakay ka na sa eroplano. At one day, in our travel, siguro ng mga teachers, if ever mapunta kami ng Hong Kong, isa ka sa pinakamagandang flight attendant na nandun, na nakasakay sa aeroplano. Happy birthday, Apple. I speak blessings to your life, and you know how much I love you.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Jacqueline. Okay, next, another teacher. Her advisor is...
So natatandaan ko nung sinabi mo sa akin na, Ma'am, ilipat niyo po ako sa ibang section.
Pero sabi ko sa'yo, deserve ka na nandito sa section 1. Di ba? So, di ba nga ikaw yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko sa lahat? Ultimo attendance, collections, ikaw talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko. And even Moira is here. And then, nandito rin si Gerald. So, kayo yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan ko sa ating klase. So, sana, sabi nga nila dun sa ating sa school, soar high, fly high. Sana matapos mo yung iyong studies and makahanap ka ng napakagandang trabaho later on. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, you must know your priorities in life. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Nora Olog. Next, last but not the least, we have Miss Regina Thea Rivera.
Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Yung gift na yan, parang ikaw yan. Kasi like a treasure box or jewelry box. You treasure someone's like your family, your friends. Iyon. Tsaka like, may cousin kasi. Very important to me. Happy birthday ulit. Ayun.
Okay, there you have it. Palakpakan natin ang ating 18 treasures.
Open your heart and let me show.
Okay, for walkie shots? Okay, for walkie shots. Let me see. Siyempre, di ba yung butterflies, before na maging butterfly siya, maraming proseso from pupa, daming procedure bago siya makarating doon. So, yung butterflies are very colorful, may freedom na talagang lumipad. So, you have the freedom, you have the right to choice kung ano man ang gusto mo sa buhay.
Nakasali pala ako dito. Wala akong handang message. Anyway, Apple, binabati kita na happy latest birthday. At sana patupad lahat ang mga pangarap mo. Bilang sa ganap na dalaga, wish you all the best.
Okay, next, we have Miss Shirley Perez.
Happy birthday. Alam ko na yung family mo, especially your parents, are proud sa'yo. Continue for being a good girl at success sa buhay mo. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Shirley. Next, we have Miss Malul Juanyo.
Wish you all the best. Mag-aaral lang mabuti. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Huwag ka lumandi, sabi ni Kuya. Okay, happy birthday.
Okay. Next, we have Mr. Henry Juano.
Paul, wishing you all the luck and good health. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Tito Henry. Next, we have Miss Marlene Maputi. Miss Marlene.
Apple, happy birthday. Sana makapagtapos ka at always be happy. I love you.
Okay, next, we have Mr. Ording Juano.
Apple, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana, miss ko sa iyo matupad ay mga pangarap sa buhay. Happy 18th birthday.
Okay, thank you, Tita. Next, we have Miss May Juano. May Juano.
Hi, Apple. Ano ba yan? Happy birthday. I wish you all the luck and best in life. And sana matupad mo kung ano yung dreams mo. Fake it till you make it. Basta, kung ano man yung maging decisions mo, basta alam mong tama, go for it. And happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Okay, thank you, Miss May. Next, we have Miss April Juano.
Unexpected to Hindi ko na alam.
Yes.
Kaya po, happy birthday. Halos lahat nasabi na nila. So yun lang, wish you all the best. Yun.
Okay, thank you. Miss May. Another one, Miss April.
Birthday, wish you all the best. And sana mga lahat ng dreams mo makuha ka. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Miss Nimpa Ceres.
Birthday, Apple. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad at
Siguro yung butterfly, simbolo ito ng kung gaano kataas yung pangarap mo ay siyang matutupad. Laging mabait kay Mama at kay Daddy. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you. Next, we have Miss Zenzen Ceres.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Hapol. Sana lahat ng gusto mo matupad at mag-aral ka lang mabuti.
Okay, thank you, Miss Zenzen. Next, we have Miss Connie Papa.
Nasabi na nila lahat. Isa second emotion ko na lang na matuloy lahat na sinabi nila na yung wish nila sa'yo lahat matupad.
Okay, thank you po, Miss Connie. Next, we have Miss Georgia Juano.
Happy birthday! Tapos wish you all the best and God bless.
Okay, Miss Lenny Tuico.
Good evening sa'yo, Apple. Kahit na nasa malayo kami, sa Laguna pa kami, binabati ka namin ng happy 18th birthday. Good luck.
Okay, next we have Dennis Perez.
Apple, you've grown into a very beautiful lady, kaya expected maraming aali-aligid at laligaw sa'yo. So advice ko is don't ever lose sight of your dream. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Sir Dennis. Next, we have Miss Sabrina Perez. Ayan.
Magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthdays to come at saka God bless.
Pahardon.
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, Apple. Yun lang.
Okay, Mr. Tino Lorenzo.
Okay. Ganun na lang. Text ko na lang sa'yo.
So may I request the parents? Okay, Daddy, you start to count. 1, 2, 3.
Bibilang ko lang 1, 2, 3 ha. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ayan. Naku, ayan. There you have it. Ang daming butterfly. So, may freedom ka na daw, Apple.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. There you have it, the MJ.
I be so far, we don't give a fuck, Welcome to the danger zone, step into the fantasy. You are not invited to the other side of sanity. They calling me an alien, a big-headed astronaut. Maybe it's because your boy Yeezy get astronaut. Let's rock!
Enough of this gangster shit. It's the Don, go let them know. Unwettable, big fish, incredible. Who banging on the white collar? Nigga, do you know who you fucking with? Ice.
I got nice, Adidas, different.